A project is formally defined as a temporary endeavor, undertaken to create a unique product, service, or result. This fundamental definition from the Project Management Body of Knowledge Guide is crucial for understanding the entire field of project management. It immediately highlights two core characteristics that differentiate projects from routine work. These are the concepts of being temporary and delivering something unique. Grasping these distinctions is the first step in successful project management. The first key characteristic is that a project is temporary. This means every project has a definite beginning and a definite end. The project concludes when its objectives have been achieved, or when it becomes clear that the objectives cannot be met, or when the need for the project no longer exists. For instance, an office relocation project ends once everyone has moved into the new space and operations resume. It is important to remember that temporary does not imply short in duration. A project can span several months or even many years. The team assembled for the project is typically disbanded once the project is complete. The second defining characteristic is that projects create a unique product, service, or result. This uniqueness means the outcome is distinct in some way from all similar items that may have been produced before. For example, building a new software application for customer relationship management is a project. Even if a company has built similar systems previously, this new application will have specific features, integrations, and user requirements that make it unique. Similarly, organizing an annual company conference is a project, as each year presents a new set of speakers, themes, and logistical challenges, making each event unique. Projects are also characterized by progressive elaboration. This concept means that the scope of the project and its deliverables are defined more precisely over time. At the start, you might have a high-level vision, such as improving customer satisfaction. As the project progresses, this vision is progressively elaborated into specific requirements, like reducing call wait times by 45%. This incremental detailing allows for flexibility and adaptation, especially in environments where requirements might evolve. It is not about doing less work up front, but about understanding that details emerge as more is known. Organizations undertake projects primarily to achieve strategic objectives and deliver tangible value. Projects are the engines of change and innovation within any organization. They enable businesses to develop new products, enter new markets, improve internal processes, or respond to external pressures. For example, a project to implement a new enterprise resource planning system aims to streamline operations and enhance decision-making, directly supporting strategic goals. Without projects, organizations would struggle to evolve and remain competitive in a dynamic environment. It is vital to distinguish projects from ongoing operations, which is a frequent source of confusion. Operations are continuous, repetitive activities that produce the same or very similar results over and over, such as manufacturing a standard product or processing daily customer orders. Unlike projects, operations do not have a defined end date tied to a unique output. They are sustained to maintain business functions. Understanding this distinction is critical for both the certified associate in project management exam and for practical project management. This foundational understanding of what constitutes a project provides the necessary context for all subsequent project management principles. Recognizing projects by their temporary nature and unique deliverables is a core competency for any aspiring project manager. It helps in correctly identifying the work that requires project management methodologies. In the next lecture, we will delve deeper into the specific contrasts between projects and operations, solidifying this critical differentiation.